In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Figma file. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your Figma account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and input your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to have a file that's ready for deletion, just so I can demonstrate how the restoration process works from start to finish. Now let's assume you have a Figma file that you no longer need, or perhaps you just want to simulate the process. Begin by deleting or moving that specific file to the trash. This action is essential because we can't restore something that hasn't been deleted yet. It's fairly straightforward. Just click on the file and choose the option to delete it. Once the file is in the trash, we're ready for the next step. Navigate to your trash bin, which is where all your deleted files go. In Figma, this is a sort of holding area where files remain for a period before being permanently deleted. This is your window of opportunity to recover anything that might have been discarded accidentally. In the trash, locate the file that you previously deleted. You'll notice that when you right-click on this file, several options will appear. The context menu provides choices such as duplicating the file to your drafts, restoring it, or permanently deleting it. For our purposes today, since we're focused on restoration, you'll want to select the Restore option. Clicking Restore will immediately begin the process of bringing your file back to life, placing it right back in its original location on your dashboard. It's a quick, reliable way to rectify any accidental deletions. Once you've done this, go back to your dashboard and take a look around. You should now see your Figma file has returned, safe and sound, ready for you to pick up right where you left off. It's really as simple as that. Just remember, the key is to act before any permanent deletion takes place, as once a file is fully removed, restoration will no longer be an option. And there you have it. That's how you restore a deleted Figma file. It's a handy trick to know, especially if you ever find yourself needing to retrieve work you thought was lost. If you found this tutorial helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment with any questions you might have, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.